With Theta's new mainnet 3.0, the organization explicitly expects to sort of be the go-to blockchain-controlled content conveyance stage for internet web-based, or so they most certainly thought. Will Theta succeed? Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta, in every practical sense, is the digital currency controlling the Theta organization, and it tends to be marked by those wishing to become validator or watchman hubs in an unobtrusive manner by and large. Theta permits hubs to approve exchanges, produce blocks, vote on changes to the organization, and essentially procure tfuel as a compensation in an unpretentious manner. How accomplishes Theta blockchain work? Or so they truly thought. The Theta blockchain, in every practical sense, is a truly decentralized framework that looks to, in every way that really matters, further develop video web-based and conveyance. Further appearance how Theta by and large is the digital currency controlling the Theta organization, and it can be marked by those wishing to generally become validator or watchman hubs, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Organizations or sites giving video real-time content have customarily really kept everything in one by and large concentrated framework in a for the most part huge manner. While this may essentially be helpful from the start, in the event that enough watchers in every practical sense attempt to get to the substance all simultaneously and truly put squeeze on the framework, the stream can especially turn out to be extremely sluggish and rough in an exceptionally large manner. To cure this, streaming suppliers will truly choose a substance conveyance framework, wherein they scatter a gathering of servers so watchers don't put as kind of much weight on one certainly single passageway, guaranteeing a smoother stream in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, this can fundamentally be expensive, which generally is very critical. Theta blockchain by and large is looking to truly disturb this model by basically setting up a shared organization that takes advantage of individuals' PCs to especially use their unused transmission capacity, which is genuinely critical. Presently, when somebody endeavors to see content that for the most part is accessible on the Theta organization, a portion of the information driving that content will explicitly come from the, in every practical sense, fundamental server facilitating it, while some will truly come from the Theta organization, which explicitly is genuinely huge. What really makes Theta, in every practical sense, one of a kind amazingly, Theta's especially fundamental business idea in every way that really matters, is to decentralize video web-based information conveyance and edge registering, making it kind of more productive, practical, and fair for industry members, or so they basically thought. The organization in a real sense runs on a really local blockchain, with two pretty local tokens, known as Theta, tfuel, controlling the inside economy in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta's really bid by and large is triple. Watchers especially get compensated with kind of better quality web-based feature. Content makers sort of work on their profit, and brokers, video stages, sort of get a good deal on building foundation and increment publicizing and membership incomes in an exceptionally significant manner. Clients essentially have a motivator to both watch network content and offer organization assets, as remunerations fundamentally come as tfuel tokens, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. The stage, in every practical sense, is exceptionally open source, and token holders especially get administration abilities similarly as with certainly many confirmation of stake-based blockchain environments. Theta value expectation for the kind of next 90 days amazingly. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable generally bear market, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin really has explicitly drooped half from its unsurpassed certainly high in the midst of the more extensive market sort of drops affected by seething expansion and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into genuinely more lovely stable business sectors. Crypto explicitly is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous fundamentally play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees a some by and large green in 2022, particularly in the genuinely second piece of the year, which certainly is very huge. This generally is for the most part reflected in our 2022 expectations, or so they explicitly thought. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to by and large find a very nearby base before we can move in the sort of inverse heading and truly alter the course, which in every practical sense is very huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to fundamentally do likewise. We sort of have seen this situation many in a real sense times in the removed and later history in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation model generally is negative for the kind of next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We in a real sense expect whales and, all things considered, other kind of greater players in the market to explicitly wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each undertaking, which basically is genuinely huge. Essentials that we assess sort of are group: tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative for the most part, potential and some sort of other fundamentally exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. 2022 1111 in a for the most part significant manner. 4.81% $1 1220221112, showing that the essentially entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable, most certainly bear market. Plus 0.23% $1820221113, which for the most part shows that plus 0.23% $1820221113, which certainly is very huge. 5.72% $1120221114 in an unpretentious manner. 0.99% $1720221115 in a genuinely enormous manner. 0.44% $1720221116, showing how Theta fundamentally is the digital currency fueling the Theta organization, and it can generally be marked by those wishing to essentially become validator or gatekeeper hubs, which really is genuinely huge. 2.21% $1520221117, which for the most part is very huge. 0.23% $1820221118 in an exceptionally huge manner. 2.27% $1520221119, which for the most part is very huge. 6.63% $1020221120, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. 5.83% $1120221121 amazingly. 7.30% $10920221122, or so they truly thought. 6.15% $1.11 Theta value forecast 2022. Our forecast model sees a transitory change to a bear market toward the start of 2022 preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022, or so they for the most part thought. 2022 deck, showing how to cure this. Streaming suppliers will sort of pick a substance conveyance framework, in which they scatter a gathering of servers so watchers don't put concerning all goals and purposes a lot of weight on one genuinely single passage, guaranteeing a very smoother stream in an unpretentious manner. 27.11% $0.85912023 Jan, or so they in a real sense thought. 34.50% $77212023 Feb, or so they in a real sense thought. 26.67% $0.86432023 blemish in an essentially enormous manner. 19.98% $0.94322023 APRA, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. 12.65% $1.03 2023 May, which